Hi, yoga buddies! Today, we're doing a fun yoga flow to help you build endurance and keep going strong. If you like yoga with us, don't forget to like this video and subscribe so we can keep moving together. Let's start our fun yoga adventure. Stand tall with both feet grounded, legs straight, arms relaxed by your sides, chest open, shoulders soft, looking forward with a calm gaze. Stand tall with arms stretched overhead, palms facing each other, ribs down, shoulders relaxed away from the ears. Feet together or hip width, knees bent like sitting in an invisible chair, arms lifted overhead, long spine. Front knee bent, back legs straight, hips facing forward, arms reaching up. Alternate between left and right. Step your feet wide. Bend the front knee and extend your arms sideways at shoulder height. Look over the front hand. Repeat on left and right sides. Front knee bent, front elbow resting lightly on thigh, top arm reaching overhead. Alternate between left and right. Form an upside-down V, hands and feet pressing into the mat. Legs long, spine stretched, head relaxed between arms. Balance on one leg with the upper leg lifted behind you. One hand supports on the mat, the other reaches up, chest open. Alternate between left and right. Lie on your belly with hands under shoulders. Gently lift your chest while keeping elbows close to the body, shoulders relaxed. From plank, bend your elbows close to your ribs, keeping your body straight and strong like a long line. Sit with legs stretched straight forward, feet flexed, spine upright, hands placed beside the hips for support. Kneel down, sit back on your heels, fold forward with arms stretching forward, forehead resting on the mat. Let's slow down for a moment. Place your hands on your belly and feel it rise and fall. Take calm, soft breaths for 30 seconds. In and out. You are doing amazing. Great job, yoga buddy! You stayed strong, you kept moving, and you did amazing today. If you enjoyed this yoga flow, remember to like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who loves yoga too. See you next time. Namaste.